Earn money with Freecash. In this video I want to show you this website called Freecash. You will see the different possibilities that you can have for earn money on this website, and I will show you how much I have earned with this website. If you click on my link, you can make immediately from 5 cents to $25 just for sign up on this website. Okay, this is the home page. You can see that I have different offers, and as you can see it's right all in Italian because I live in Italy. So the offer that you can see are only for Italian people. If you are watching this video from UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand or USA, you will have different option and the offer are way better than mine. So for example, if you live in USA, the money you can make monthly are way higher than mine. As you can see, this person is from United States and has completed only 12 offers, and in 30 days has made, and with only 12 offers you have made almost $300. Also Kyle, this one is from United States and has joined 10 days ago. He made 27 offers and in the last 30 days he earns $235, which is pretty amazing. And as you can see, those are the offer he completed in those 10 days. This one 8 days ago and already made over $400 in 8 days. So if you are from USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, your earning potential are way higher than the rest of the world. Those are the most popular offers. For example, this one is called Altro Consumo. If I complete this offer, I will receive $6 for just become a member. So I have to subscribe and become a member of this site. Or Audible, I just have to subscribe on free trial and I will receive $1.50. If we go on survey, we can see the survey that we can do and we can see the duration, the rating, and the pay. As you can see, here is my profile, and as you can see, I have made almost $400 with 39 offers. And as I said before, in Italy there are some good offers, but they don't pay so much and it's harder to complete the tasks. Those are some earnings: $30, $20, $40, $50, etc. We can see the cash out that I made: $20, $5, $30, $10, $5, $88, 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, etc. $56, $39, etc. Another way that you can make money from this website are the rewards. Every day, if you make at least $1 per week, you can participate to this lottery. As you can see, in my case, I can ask immediately 10 cents, or if you feel lucky, you can try to double it, and so on. You can double it, and you can reach $51. If you earn $1 per day, you can receive 2 cents of bonus the first day. The second day that you earn $1 in a row, so the second day you will earn 5 cents, the third day 10 cents, and so on. The cash out can start from 25 cents on stake and 50 cents in other ways. So reaching the cash out threshold is easy. You can choose different type of ways that you can cash out your earnings. For example, PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, RTM, or you can withdraw gift cards, for example, Amazon, Visa, Google Play, Apple, Netflix, Spotify, etc. Or you can withdraw skins: Counter-Strike, Fortnite, League of Legends, Valorant. So this site is legit. You can make a lot of money, depend where you live. This site is legit, so I recommend it. The video is finished. We will see to the next. Bye.